Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial and video. I hope you are doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make this easy single crochet flat circle. It's part of the series of flat circle, double crochet, half double and single crochet. You choose whichever one you like to make your own project. So this tutorial is as easy as the others. It will help you to learn how to keep the circle flat and how to make it neat as well. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 6mm crochet hook. We'll get started right away. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make six single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And 6, and I'm gonna join to the beginning single crochet with a slip stitch. For the second row I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in every stitch. That will be total of 12 single crochet. And the last 2. And I'm gonna join to the first single crochet, chain 1. Round 3, we'll start decreasing the 2 single crochet in one stitch. So I'm gonna do 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, and I will repeat 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch till the end of the round. I should have 18 stitches at the end. So to keep the track of the right number in every round, whichever last number you have, for example in round 2 I had 12, so the next round you add 6 to 12, 6 which is the first round. So 6 to 12 is 18, and then 18 to 6 is 24 for the next round, and so on. Okay, 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet at the end. So we start with 2 single crochet, we end up with 1 single crochet for the decrease. Now for the next round it's the same thing, we'll decrease even more with 1 stitch. So 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches. That's how you will keep the circle flat throughout the work. So chain 1 and 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches, and we repeat 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches till the end of the round. 2 1 1 2 1 1. So I must end up with 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. One and 1 and join to the first chain 1. So this is 3 1 2 3 4 rounds complete. Round 4 or 5, 1 2 3 4 5 is the same thing. We will keep decreasing the 2 single crochet in one stitch by 1. So in this round we had 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches. This time round 6 it's 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches, and we repeat 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches till the end of the round. Last stitches, 1 2 3 and join. And this is round 6, how it looks like. So as I have explained, again we will be increasing the number of single crochet in a stitch by 1 in the next round and in the next round. So this one was 1 single crochet in the next 3, the next round will be 1 single crochet in the next 4, the following one 1 single crochet in the next 5, and so on until you get the width required of whichever project you are making, whether it's a hat, beanie, a bucket hat, pillow, or a blanket. It's up to you. You keep increasing. I'll put the link to the written pattern in the description box. It'll have more rounds of increase of the single crochet, so you can follow till whatever project you like to do. I hope the tutorial was easy and clear. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.